All right, this is an update video right here to the whole Hannah Payne, Kenneth Herring case. Remember, she was the one that shot this man, Kenneth Herring, in a parking lot, basically because she wasn't minding her business. And they tried to do some things to get her off, but the last time we talked about it, it said that the next update will come on the 28th, which is today, but by the time y'all see this video, a few days will have passed. And she had a preliminary hearing, and the case will be proceeding. That means that they will go and they will be having a trial in hopes to find this heifer guilty. And I'm going to go ahead and read this article. It says the murder case against the young white woman who witnessed a minor hit and run incident in Georgia before chasing down the guilty driver and shooting him dead will move forward, a judge announced Tuesday morning. Photos published to social media show Hannah Payne with her head hung in apparent shame as the court made its announcement on Tuesday. Payne made news in stunning fashion earlier this month when she was arrested for the killing of Kenneth Herring, a 62-year-old driver who may or may not have known he was involved in the hit and run on the afternoon of May 7th. The judge in the case found enough probable cause to uphold the murder charges and have the case proceed, local reporter Caitlin Pratt tweeted. Her lawyer, doubling down on his initial insistence that Payne was simply trying to be a good Samaritan, told the court that his client was trying to make a citizen's arrest. However, prosecutors countered that citizens could only initiate such arrests when felonies are involved, not misdemeanors or fender benders. The apparent vigilante killing was the reminiscent of the murder charges faced by George Killerman, the Florida neighborhood. I'm not even going to even read that. It says in Payne's case, the 21-year-old reportedly witnessed Herring hit another car and drive off. That apparently prompted Payne, who was legally carrying her concealed gun, to drive after Herring for about a mile, catch up to him, block his car with hers, get out of the car, engage in a struggle with him, and then shoot him to death. Payne has been held in Clinton County Jail without bail since she killed Herring in what police have decidedly said was not road rage. Upon first glance, there was not apparent direct evidence to suggest the shooting was racially motivated, but the circumstantial evidence bolstered by the tragic trend of white people not in law enforcement trying to police black people appeared to be quite strong. That was especially true when factoring in how the shooting took place in Georgia, a state that prides itself on the role of the Confederacy. Emails what were purportedly sent by Payne's friends to News One insisted she was not a racist. Herring's wife responded in part by questioning Payne's motive. Christine Herring says she wanted to know why Payne felt the need to take the law into her own hands and kill her husband. I don't know what happened with the accident, but if anything, you should have taken his tag number down and called the police. That's what she should have done. That's what she should have been concerned with, not running him down. Then she says, what is she, the traffic police? A security guard? I don't know. She continued, I don't understand why she got out of the car with the gun. I'm still trying to get past that. If I can get past that, then maybe I can understand the situation a little more, because nobody in their right mind does that. Suspicions over what motivated the shooting only got stronger after a racist robocall went out to some Clayton County households in the days after Payne was charged with murder. I'm not going to read that part because I think I talked about that in the previous video. Let's see. It says, it just seems an unfortunate situation of a good Samaritan trying to stop a person of a hit and run, Matt Tucker said the day of the shooting earlier this month. He also said that she went to Herring's car with her gun to keep him from leaving again. See, they tried to build that whole defense around her and it didn't even work. It says a witness who described Payne as the aggressor, who immediately claimed after Herring was shot that he was the one who pulled the trigger. All those lies couldn't even save her from getting off this trial. Well, step one is over. Now they got to actually go through with the trial and find the heifer guilty and then give her a good conviction. I suggest life without parole will suffice. But y'all let me know what y'all think about this update down in the comments. Like, share, subscribe, and I will talk to you in the next one.